All right, everybody, welcome back to the farm. These are Jacob cattle beans that we grew in our own garden. And I highly recommend growing your own dry beans. You can grow beans and you let them die back on the plant, dry off, and then Miranda peels them out of there and then jars them up. Usually we get gallons of them. Last year it wasn't as good for some reason, but you never know what gardening can bring. But these are very, very good beans, okay? With bacon and beans, ham and beans, hocks and beans. Wintertime delicacy right here, guys. And I highly recommend growing your own beans in your garden. It's a protein source that you will love. Sorry, my cat got one. You'll love them, I guarantee you. I mean, it's a very high protein, good fiber, and you can grow them right in your garden every year. I'm sure there's a lot of different kind of varieties. We fell in love with this variety years ago, and they kind of look like a cow, don't they? Jacob cattle beans, like a spotted cow. Anyways, these babies are going in the slow cooker right now, and they store a long time. That is what's cool about it. I almost want to do like a 50 by 60 or something one day and just do them all. That'd be pretty cool. So, hocks and beans and bacon it is tonight, and yeah, you guys will love them. So, grow your own food, raise your own food, and enjoy your own food. There's nothing like it, guys. Oh, by the way, I put mine on a scale because I normally do 1 pound of beans, like from the store. Then I don't make too much and have way too much leftovers because I can only eat beans for 2 days, and after that, I need a break. If you know what I'm saying, so does your loved ones around you. All right, guys. Love you. See you in the next one. Peace.